Alrighty, well, we're under a tornado warning. The camper is shaking a bit. Oh, there we go. You can see there's the lightning. Rocky and I are going to have quite a time of it, I guess, in here tonight. It's going to be interesting. My goodness, Rocky. Okay, Rocky's at the window looking quite concerned. Okay, what do you think, Rocky? Hey, how are you, my pet? Anyway, yeah, it could be a rough night. Anyway, it's just around 10:15 p.m. right now. And yeah, it's shaping up to be quite a night, Rocky. It is. My poor little man. You don't know what's going to happen next, and neither do I, but it's going to be an interesting night, I think. Hey, little guy, look at him there. The bright light isn't good for his eyes, I know. I'm rubbing him on his head right now. Yeah. Anyway, yeah, we'll see how it goes, that's all. Hopefully Rocky and I will survive the night. We'll talk to you later.